here we are at the end of an amazing night. You presented a very interesting presentation, and a lot of people were very interested in. So, what was the whole thing about?
Well, tonight was a little introduction into the Rotary Recycled Sound Hearing Aid Bank.
And what does the app do that changes that dynamic?
So the app will take 45 seconds, and all that information is collected and put in a database.
So you're saying it actually works right now?
All of the aids that Nick has tested has worked. We've got it to the manufacturers.
Okay.
Some has identified the correct model.
Okay.
It correctly identifies the battery. I'm not quite sure what success rate it is, but we're getting very, very, very close.
Okay.
And so now, before we used to like take the picture in a specific way, but now you can just spin it around and collect all the information. So it's pretty fun actually for the person using this app. So hopefully it's rewarding in that way too.
Beautiful. And you've been leading this project, as I understand, defined it and brought it to this point where it was presented at a Rotary Club gala dinner, I guess it was. So how does your career background or education relate to this project?
Well, I've been an audiologist for 20 years now, and my career has been in community health, profit, outreach work, and in the last 7 years I've had my own business, so I guess you could say independent audiology clinic. So yeah,
amazing.
I think that's how it's come about.
Good on you to take the initiative and bring it to this point. So what's the next step that you can see coming up?
Yeah, so I'm a bit of a dreamer as well, but I'll try to contain it. What I would hope to work on next is some sort of matching technology.
I see,
I haven't heard of anything like that exists. I haven't heard of a need for that to exist. I just think that's going to be pretty cool. And I think where that comes from is that I kind of do want this to be available in other countries.
This is more about if there is any other situation where there's a bunch of hearing aids available, but there's not enough specialists in the area, so they could basically use this.
Yeah.
I heard something about July. Did I mishear, or there is something coming up in July?
Yeah, so we're hoping to host our official Recycled Sound launch.
Okay. Is there a website or?
It's a website.
Okay.
It will take you to the Archers Audiology website.
I see. Yeah.
So I'm the founder of Archers Audiology, and we are the clinical partner of the Recycled Sound project. So for now, I'm hosting that. So come talk to me if you want to volunteer in any capacity. We will find a job for you.
This part is interesting for me. Volunteering, like what kind of help people could do for you?
Well, I think at this point, it's probably fundraising, it's finding the partners, probably developing resources. Yes, I can use AI to do all that, but I think it's important for people to maybe do the research that's necessary to develop these, then they get a deeper understanding of the issues.
Beautiful. Here it is, Dr. Meinhold.
Hello.
Yeah. So Dr. Meinhold, you are the assistant to the AI in this project. Yeah. So there was some part of the conversation where it got really technical. I was talking to Sarah.
Yeah.
So is this a working prototype? This is working to some extent, but there are things that needs to be developed.
I would say it's working. It's successfully identifying hearing aids. There are a whole lot of steps to go. It needs to. We're fine-tuning a model, taking a lot of photos, and that will improve the accuracy. And then we're adding 3D point cloud detection so that as you rotate the hearing aid, it displays points on the body and then gives you a 3D model that you can rotate in space.
Amazing. Okay.
And then looking at things like colour and things that are not just necessarily make and model, but colour, battery size. What else is there?
Whether or not it needs a tone
receiver, yeah.
Okay, interesting. So it can get like more and more accurate and nuanced and beautiful.
Exactly.
Amazing. Yeah, good on you guys. So I'm inviting those who are listening to this, they're interested to join in and let this technology scale in tech and also in the impact.
Beautiful. Can I add also that it's now doing all of the AI detection on device, so there's no internet needed, and the neural engine on iOS and the TPU on Android.
Amazing. All right, so very keen to be in the July launch myself and learn more about the technical part as well. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you, mate.